Well, for recording audio, I use Saramonic Blink 500 Pro setup. I've got a single and a dual setup. My single setup, I've been having trouble with the display for a while now. As you can see, it's actually nothing. It did start going dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. Finally, there's nothing. So I reached out to the UK support. There were no help at all. I didn't have a warranty card. I didn't have my receipt of sale. So legally they were not obliged to help, and they didn't. I did, however, read that the American support group were really good, so I reached out to the American support group. They were fantastic, and within a couple of weeks they sent me not only one spare screen, but 4 spare screens. So a massive shout out to the USA support group. Without them I'd be kind of stuck. So we're going to have a go at changing the screen. And really, it's just 4 screws in the back, which we'll whip out quickly. Right, 4 screws out. And that should just lift out. That reveals the screen. So we've got it out. Just prise this apart carefully. It's actually stuck. Yeah, don't know if you can see it or not. Just a bit of sticky tape there. What we've got is the display with the ribbon going onto this little connection here. Just pulls out. Oh, simple as that. Right, and that's the display that we hope is broken. So I've got the screens. If you can't get any from Saramonic, you might want to buy some from maybe AliExpress or somewhere. So let's have a quick look at the size of the screens and the width. I would say, I'm going to say 27, about 27 millimeters long, and for the height, I'm going to say 20. So 20 by 27. So this one, again, you just slot it into the pins. I don't know if you can see on it, but I'm just pushing it in. And just to keep that in place, put a bit of tape over it. Right. So we've got the connection in nice tight. Before I put it together, I'll just press that little button down the side, see if it powers up. There we go, we're in business. Right, we'll turn it back off while we fit it. And this looks very fiddly from now on. So So put the screen on first, then this has to sit, see the little cutouts, has to sit around where the screws go in. Very tricky, you'll be careful about the microphone. Get the screen in place. And nice and carefully put the microphone rubber in, followed by the headphone, the stereo jack. There we go. And if you can see, it's in the correct position. Microphone looks good. Our microphone and stereo jacks are in place. We're happy that the screen connection is nice and secure. We'll just put the lid on. Being careful we don't trap the wires in that little gap. Alright, then 4 screws in, but just before we do that, we'll give it a try. Perfect. Right, excellent. Just the 4 screws to put back in now. Right, well that's saved a bit of money, hasn't it? So we once more have a working transmitter. So, simple screen replacement. It's a bit fiddly, doesn't take very long, but obviously it saved me quite a lot of money buying a new set of wireless intercoms. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.